If you're aiming to enhance your pistol accuracy, this video covers the top 5 best red dot sights for pistols you can find today. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned shooters, these optics offer fast target acquisition and improved performance. Whether you're using your firearm for self-defense, competition, or range shooting, finding the right red dot sight is essential. Discover which models are making waves in the shooting community and why they're trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is FACHI Reflex, both red and green in one sight. The FACHI Reflex sight is designed for those who are interested in activities like hunting and shooting practice. This sight is black in color and built using stainless steel, which adds to its durability. It weighs just over 4 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle during extended use. The dimensions of this sight are 7.87 inches in length, 1 inch in width, and 2.12 inches in height. It fits well with devices like rifles and shotguns. It uses a 33mm lens, which helps in spotting the target quickly. This lens size helps provide a wide view, allowing users to stay aware of what is happening around them. The magnification is set at 1 time, which is common for sights that are designed for short to medium range use. The reticle can be adjusted into 4 different styles. These include combinations like dot, circle with dot, crosshair with dot, and crosshair inside a circle with dot. This makes it easier to match the sight view to your own preference or shooting situation. The mounting system is built to stay secure even with repeated use. It is made to remain firm and stable during recoil or rough handling. Eye relief is not limited, and the design corrects parallax. This means that the position of your eye does not affect where the point of aim appears, helping to keep shots accurate. It is powered by one 3-volt lithium battery which is included in the package. The sight is waterproof, can resist shock, and is designed to be used in different weather and field conditions. Its ultralight build makes it a good choice for those who want a mix of performance and comfort. In our list, the number 2 product name is Tacticon Predator V2 Reflex Sight for Rifle. The Tacticon Predator V2 Reflex Sight for rifles is made for users who want better aiming and fast target focus. This optic has both red and green dot choices with 4 types of aiming marks, making it suitable for many shooting conditions. Built using strong aluminum, it is lightweight and easy to attach to your rifle without adding too much weight. Its compact body measures 3.5 inches in length, 1.25 inches in width, and 2.25 inches in height. With a maximum and minimum magnification of 1 times, it is ideal for close-range aiming. The 40mm objective lens gives clear views, helping you track your target easily during training or field activities. Its design holds steady after many rounds, giving consistent performance every time you aim. The added 45-degree offset mount helps you quickly switch between optics, which can be useful in different shooting situations. This sight weighs 5.15 ounces, so it does not slow you down while in use. It is a great choice for hunting and range practice, giving users an edge without being too complex. The Tacticon brand stands out for its background, being owned by a combat veteran who has used and trusted gear in real scenarios. Though personal use has not been done, this red dot sight appears to offer features that can support beginner and advanced shooters alike. Whether you are improving your skills or using it for sport, the design of this optic supports steady performance and good visibility under various conditions. Its quality, ease of use, and background make it a noteworthy option for those looking to improve their shooting experience. In our list, the number 3 product name is EZshoot Reflex Sight. The EZshoot Reflex Sight is a red dot optic made for use in airsoft and similar shooting sports. It is built from strong aluminum and has a weight of 5.7 ounces, making it easy to carry and install without affecting balance. The lens has a diameter of 33 mm, offering a large view that helps during quick aiming or tracking fast targets. With a maximum and minimum magnification of 1x, this sight is made for close-range aiming. It is designed to work with handguns and fits onto a 20 mm rail mount. The lens includes a special coating to reduce unwanted light reflections, helping maintain clear views in bright environments. This coating helps the shooter focus better even when under direct sunlight. The optic comes with several different aiming patterns, giving more control depending on the situation. This product allows shooters to keep both eyes open while aiming, thanks to its design that does not limit eye position. Whether the user is new or experienced, this helps make targeting easier and faster. Water and shock resistance add to its durability, and tests show that it can handle strong recoil without losing accuracy. Its long battery operation can last between 3,000 to 4,000 hours. It also includes two CR2032 batteries, providing plenty of usage time before replacements are needed. The sight maintains its settings even after repeated use, giving steady performance. Although this item has not been used personally, its design suggests it may be a good choice for users who need a reliable red dot optic for training or sport. Its mix of easy setup, wide lens, and solid structure could support better accuracy and speed in different conditions. In our list, the number 4 product name is UQQ Mini Reflex Red Dot Sight. UQQ Mini Reflex Red Dot Sight is built to support a range of shooting activities including airsoft, paintball, and archery. This black optic is made using aluminum and weighs 90 grams. The lens has a 20 mm objective diameter and a 1x magnification level, making it suitable for rifles, handguns, and shotguns. It fits securely on weapons using the 20 mm Picatinny or Weaver mount. This sight powers down after 2 minutes without use and activates with the slightest movement. The brightness returns to its last setting, with 12 adjustment levels available to suit different lighting. It supports a long battery life when used on the lowest setting. It is designed to resist strong impacts, tested for durability at 1000 gravity shocks. The outer casing protects the inner parts, making it reliable during repeated recoil. The construction ensures a firm setup during extended use. The clear multi-coated lens improves how light passes through, giving a clean and visible field for aiming. The red dot has a 2-minute of angle size that supports precision with both eyes open. It includes a function that prevents fog buildup, helping to keep the view steady. The optic can be mounted directly to the top of pistols by replacing the factory sight using the included adapter. It is also ready for mounting on rifles and shotguns that support the specified rail system. The connection is tight and built to last. Windage and elevation can be adjusted in 1 minute of angle steps for accuracy. Its reliable build and viewing clarity support effective target focus for recreational and competitive shooting across multiple platforms. The low profile and solid frame make it a stable option in the field. In our list, the number 5 product name is EZshoot full-sized red/green dot motion awake optic for pistols. EZshoot full-sized red and green dot motion awake optic for pistols is a compact sight designed for accuracy during airsoft shooting. It is made from durable aluminum, finished in a black color, and weighs 43 grams. Its size measures 1.77 length by 1.04 width by 1.07 height in inches, offering a streamlined design that fits comfortably on most handguns. This optic includes motion awake functionality that helps save battery by entering sleep mode after 4 minutes without activity. Any light movement wakes it up instantly, restoring the last used brightness level automatically. The red and green dot offers 12 levels of brightness adjustment, helping to match different lighting environments. Constructed with aviation-grade aluminum and rated as waterproof under IP65 standards, it withstands impact up to 1,000 gravity shocks. This means it performs in demanding environments while holding its position even under strong recoil. Its rugged build also protects internal elements during rough field handling. The clear multi-coated lenses help transmit light effectively for bright and sharp viewing. The red dot has a 2-minute of angle size for accurate targeting while keeping both eyes open. With unlimited eye relief and no parallax, target acquisition becomes faster and more intuitive. This optic is compatible with pistols that use the RMR footprint. It comes with an adapter plate suited for the modular optic system and fits the 20mm Picatinny base mount. Windage and elevation adjustments are done in 1 minute of angle per click steps, offering control and reliability. This red and green dot sight is a stable solution for those looking to upgrade their handgun aiming system for recreational airsoft sports and other compatible